Hi students, just now we have completed what is meant by absolute error of a physical quantity followed by mean absolute error of a physical quantity. Now the third type of error is called as relative error, which is also called as fractional error. Now what is the definition of relative error? So relative error is defined as the ratio of the mean absolute error to the mean value of the physical quantity, okay, to the mean value of the physical quantity. So whichever physical quantity we have measured now, that true value which is also called as a mean value. So now by symbol this is equal to delta AM, okay, divided by AM. So these are the symbols we have used for the mean absolute error of a physical quantity A. Okay, this is the mean value or the true value of the physical quantity A. Okay. The same in the case of a simple pendulum. So we have taken example, okay, in the case of a simple pendulum we were discussing now. So 5 observations for the measurement of the period of oscillation of a simple pendulum we have taken T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, and in the previous video we have substituted the values and we have calculated the delta Tm, that is a mean absolute error, delta Tm, okay. For the simple pendulum we have taken as a 0.11 second, and the mean value, okay, that is a T mean is equal to 2.62 second. So in the previous calculation we have arrived at this value, okay. So now using a calculator we can find out the values. So what is the relative error in the case of a simple pendulum? Therefore relative error in the case of a simple pendulum is equal to delta Tm, okay, divided by Tm. So this is equal to delta Tm is what, 0.11 divided by 2.62. Now both are in seconds now. So relative term means when both are in seconds means they will cancel out. So I will find out now 0.11 divided by 2.62. So 2.62. So that is equal to 0.0419. So I am getting a value. So this is equal to 0.0419 I am getting. So this is also in second, this also is in second, therefore this has no unit because it's a relative term. But how many digits are there after a decimal here? 0.0419. 4 digits are there. But only the minimum number of digits are allowed. That is 2 digits after the decimal only. So I am looking at this third digit. Third digit is 1. It is less than 5. So after the second digit we can drop this. So now the relative error in the measurement of the period of simple pendulum is 0.04. That is the relative error in the measurement of the period of oscillation of a simple pendulum. Have you understood relative error? Now the last type of error, that is the fourth one, is percentage error. Okay, the fourth one is percentage error. We are going to express the error in terms of percentage. That error is called as percentage error. That is, we have to multiply the relative error by 100, that's all. Okay, so when you multiply the relative error by 100, then what you will get only is called as what? The percentage error. So this percentage error is equal to relative error into 100. Relative error multiplied by 100, so that in percentage we can express. So in this, what is the relative error in this quantity? What is the relative error is delta AM by AM. So this is delta AM divided by AM into 100, and it should be expressed in percentage. Now in the case of a simple pendulum, we have taken it as an example, okay, for our understanding. So what is the relative error we have calculated as 0.04. So for a simple pendulum, okay, for simple pendulum example, the relative error is found to be 0.04. So the percentage error is equal to, so percentage error is equal to relative error is what? 0.04. So 0.04 multiplied by 100 percentage. So this is equal to 4%. So the error in the observation for the period of oscillation of a simple pendulum is found to be 4%. What do you mean by saying therefore? Therefore, the period of oscillation, okay, period of a simple pendulum, the period of a simple pendulum is equal to that is 2.62, the average mean value plus or minus 4%, plus or minus 4%. So this is the period of a simple pendulum expressed in terms of the error analysis. So in error analysis, we have explained 4 types of errors. The first one is absolute error. Whenever you have to find the absolute error in every individual quantity, okay, it should be compared with the mean value of the total number of observations. Then we have explained what is mean absolute error. While calculating mean absolute error, only the modulus or magnitude of the errors we are considering. And the third type of error is the relative error, which is the ratio of what a mean absolute error to the mean value of the physical quantity. It is also called as fractional error. Okay, it will come in fractions. If you multiply this by 100 means what you get is called the fourth type of error, that is called the percentage error. This is only called as error analysis. So for different examples you have to take the calculation and learn it thoroughly. Okay, fine, best wishes.